Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about pop-ups and how you can utilize them. So this is actually very simple. If you notice here on the top left corner you have pop-ups. Now here usually you have like standard 2 pop-ups. You can add as many pop-ups as you like. Number 3, number 4, number 5. And what this means is that you can actually activate pop-ups differently. So if you have 5 different offers, you can use 5 different pop-ups and 5 different buttons. So how to do this is, now that we have one button, we click on the button, show pop-up, and then you choose the pop-up that you want. And then you go to the other pop-up button, in this case, show pop-up, and show the other pop-up that you like. Okay, so when we save, and if you check the pop-ups, and then we just edit this one real quick, now pop-up 5, we go ahead and save. When we preview and clicking the button on top, this is information that they get. If we click on the pop-up, sorry about that, so let me go back here, edit pop-up settings, open on exit, it's off, open automatically, it's off. So you do want to click off. Okay, now another thing I'm going to do is, in this case we don't have any kind of close, so if you scroll down, let me see where it is, show close button, it's actually the first one. You need to say on. Okay, you need to make this on, don't delay it, just show it. Okay, so save, and now let's refresh the page. There we go. Let's open. Okay, so because we have the other pop-ups as well, so this is actually cool because you can see how to troubleshoot it. So let's save it, and now refresh this, click on the first one, pop-up 1, click on the second one, pop-up 5. So you can actually do different things according to different buttons, but don't over exaggerate it. Usually add one more offer. If you add too many offers, it's not going to go well. Just add one more offer, and there you go. Okay, so if you want more settings here, you can adjust, and you can see how to optimize and how to do the padding, the color button, the color background, and that's pretty much about it as far as the pop-up goes. And then all these elements you can add into pop-ups as regular items. Okay, so this is how I usually use pop-ups. One for the main action, a secondary one if I really want to have that option, but most of the times I don't. I just have one option. But if you are talking about a funnel hub, then you can do different things as well. Okay, go ahead, try it out, have fun.